Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to open Schlage Keypad lock with dead battery, emergency power and key options. Method 1. The emergency battery jump, touchscreen and keypad models. If your lock has a touchscreen or a keypad but no visible keyhole, you can temporarily power the lock from the outside using a standard 9-volt battery. First, find the two small metal prongs or connection point located directly beneath the touchscreen or near the Schlage logo. Then take a new, high-quality alkaline 9-volt battery and firmly press the two terminals, the positive one and the negative circular snaps on the battery, against the metal contacts on the lock. Do not pull the battery away and maintain firm continuous contact. Then listen for a beep or watch for indicator lights to flash. While holding the battery against the lock, enter your normal user code. Then turn the thumb turn or handle to open the door, and once inside, open the interior battery cover and replace the dead AA/AAA batteries. Method 2. Mechanical key override, deadbolts and levers. Many Schlage keypad locks, like the BE365 or FE595, feature a physical backup keyhole hidden behind the exterior faceplate, lock lever, or thumb turn. First, the keyhole is typically hidden beneath a slide-up cover, the main keypad faceplate, or directly in the center of the thumb turn. Once you have located the keyhole, push your backup mechanical key fully into the cylinder. Then turn and unlock. For deadbolts, turn the key roughly 90 degrees clockwise, then manually rotate the deadbolt latch away from the door edge. For levers, turn the key about 270 degrees clockwise, then lift the lever downward to open the door. For relock and remove, return the lock to its locked position, turn the key back to the starting position and remove it. Then replace the internal batteries at your earliest convenience. Method 3. Call a professional locksmith or Schlage support. If you have lost your mechanical backup keys, your 9-volt terminals are damaged, or the lock remains unresponsive, your best path forward is to call a professional. A professional locksmith, a certified technician, can use specialized tool or non-destructive entry methods to either pick the backup cylinder or bypass the latch without damaging your door. A Schlage customer service. For warranty, model-specific troubleshooting, or replacement part inquiries, you can reach out directly via the Schlage Support Center. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.